Watch my discipline breakdown in real time today. I'll show you the exact triggers that led to the spiral because they probably match some of your own. Then I'll share the one simple rule that would have stopped it all from happening. All right, let's get into it. All right, so let's take a look at this and see where my discipline broke down, where I failed today. So we've broken out past the opening range already. That candle there looks pretty strong, the second break of the opening range. However, I still go for a C short. I'm looking for a C short. I think again, I just want it to be done early on the day, which is a mistake. I need to be more patient, and trading for an hour is not a big deal. It's the time I have allotted, so I shouldn't be trying to rush it. So I do get into the C short here, and this is sped up, but it pretty much like immediately gets taken out. I get stopped out. I lose 10 to 12 points. I should have closed up here. I shouldn't have continued watching the charts, but I thought the MA is going up. It looks like it's going to set up for my A longs. So now I'm measuring out, okay, where I mark this line, that's where the MA is going to be up 50 points. So I'm waiting for that to happen, and I'm looking for longs. I guess even though I broke the rule, I'm at least not taking a random trade. I'm not just jumping in long or jumping in short here. I'm waiting for something to set up. So that's the one plus of today up to this point. Of course, that all falls apart pretty quickly on me. So to avoid this loss, the only thing I would have had to, not this loss. I mean, I could have not taken that trade, but it doesn't matter. It technically was my setup, so it was a valid trade. I should be taking it. But the thing that I could have done to stop everything that happens after and, like coming pretty close to losing my take profit trader eval today was to shut it down after the one trade. I know it's like, it makes a lot of sense. I know that's what I need to do. But in the moment, it's really, really difficult to just accept the loss and shut it down and be like, I'm not making the money back today. I'll come back tomorrow. So that's definitely why I have the challenge. That's the main thing I need to work on, is just accepting losses and not watching, like shutting it and not watching. That helps tremendously with obviously not jumping back in and accepting the losses, because you're not watching the loss. You have a longer period of time between the trade and the loss. So it allows you, for me anyways, it allows me that distance. So here you can see I've got into another trade. This was a valid A short setup, but again, it got taken out pretty quickly. Here I think I was looking for more shorts. I wanted to short below this bar now, but I was already down. Now, like that one that I just took the stop on, that was 20 points. So now I'm down over $300. I definitely should have closed it down, but I'm still watching. I'm still trading. In here somewhere, probably after that last loss, I made a big, big mistake in my discipline, which is I turned on a live stream of other traders. Today it was Top Step TV. I can't listen to other traders trading the NQ when I'm trading. It always just leads to poor decisions. And as you can see here, I'm just getting chopped up. I keep trying to short, get stopped out. At one point I'm flipping long and I get stopped out on that. But yeah, so now I'm listening to Top Step TV, and it's like, okay, this one's going long, and this one's talking shorts, and this one's talking big targets to the downside, and this one's talking all-time highs. And it just, I shouldn't have been trading anyways, but I for sure know that I cannot listen to other traders when I'm trying to trade. It just never works out for me. So I took more than one trade, and then I started listening to Top Step TV, and then I just started flipping around all over the place, keep trying to short. Okay, I'm wrong. I'll take a long, lose on that. This one here now, I think is my last trade of the day. I took a short. Yeah. So I'm short. And then I added on to the short. So now I'm in 10 micros. At the worst point, I was down 700 and I think about $780. So this was stupid of me because now if I lose this trade, I would be down on the day. Like losing this trade is going to mean the account being down $1,100. It's a $25,000 eval. So I'm not leaving myself with much on it. It was stupid. $100 loss on the day would have been much better than this. And I wrote that in my journal. Like I really wish I would have just stopped after that first trade. And I cannot tell you how many times this has happened where I've said, I wish I would have stopped after the first trade. But this one I am holding it, and I held it for a while because I'm in 10 micros, so full mini, $20 a point. And I've got my, I don't know why that's on there. It's just trade of 8. I click on the chart and it comes on. So I got pretty close to my stop here. I definitely wasn't feeling great about this, but I was already accepting I'm going to lose. I'll be down $1,100. I'm going to have to size down and then get back to my challenge, one trade a day, and really stick to it and not have these kind of blowout or potential blowout days where I'm like extremely close to losing an account. I did decide at this point, like for sure, no matter what happens on this trade, I'm closing it and I'm done. So I don't know for sure if that would have happened. Well, okay, I do know for sure that didn't happen. That didn't happen. So I got very close to my TP and then I just went, okay, exit. And then I went and checked my P&L. I became extremely P&L obsessed in this spiral. So not good. And then I just jumped into another trade because I saw my P&L. Oh, I'm down $75. I should have been relieved and happy with only being down $75, but I jumped back in, lost more money, jumped back in again immediately after, lost more money, like just stupid, stupid stuff. And then I take another short here because I'm thinking, okay, it's going to go and retest those lows. And then I think this one makes a bit of money. And then I finally close it out for the day. But definitely not good on the discipline. Nothing I can do now. I'm grateful to have ended the day only down about $95 on my Take Profit Trader eval account. But I just hate how I traded today. It sucks. I wasted time. I stressed myself out for nothing. Yeah, so I guess all I can do at this point is just recommit to take my challenge again tomorrow. Come back tomorrow. This was day 6 of the challenge. Obviously a fail, big fail. Yeah, so I'm gonna come back tomorrow and work on it again. If you like this video, leave me a like, comment, subscribe. I've had a few people subscribe and I've had a couple people say they're going to join me in the challenge. So I'm super excited about that. I was so happy when I got a comment being like, yeah, I'll do it too. I was just like, yes, okay. Maybe this will help to keep me on track a little bit more, having other people who are clearly struggling with the same things as me wanting to jump in and do the challenge. So awesome. Love to have more people jump in on the challenge with me. All right, we'll see you tomorrow.